how to hide your number on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can hide your number on WhatsApp, or more importantly, whether or not it is really possible. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you have to understand one thing. How do you talk to someone at Facebook? You have their username or their Facebook profile, you send them a request, and all of the data and the chats are not going to be stored with you. It is going to be stored on the Facebook's data privacy section. So basically WhatsApp runs an end-to-end encryption, which means that WhatsApp itself is not going to keep track of all of the data that you have. That is why the chats automatically get deleted if you don't back them up. You choose to back them up either in your iCloud or either in your Google Drive account. So basically WhatsApp do not have access to it. That is why you need to have your own account's number. And keep in mind that WhatsApp is a number basis application. It isn't a username basis application where you simply send a friend request and they accept it. When people search in WhatsApp, they need your number. They cannot search you by your WhatsApp account's name. That's simply how it works. And as long as you personally don't share your phone number to everybody else, there will be no need for you to hide your number. You can only share them with your contacts, and only your contacts will be able to see that you basically have WhatsApp. And to answer your question whether or not you can hide your number, the answer is absolutely no, because unfortunately so far WhatsApp has not yet updated the feature in such a way that you can hide your phone number. Hopefully in the future they might do this, but until then, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.